to Electronics Tamil. In this video, we're going to make Bluetooth controlled home automation. In our previous project, we made internet controlled home automation. Click the I button to watch the video. Let's get started. For this project, I am using Arduino Mega 2560 and then a Bluetooth module with some relays. I took the SC05 Bluetooth module and connected to a small breadboard. For this project, I am using only 2-channel relay instead of 4-channel relay. We are going to control some motors using this. Then I connected the Bluetooth module in a breadboard. Then I took some jumper wires. After that, I connected the jumper wires to the relay module. Then for Bluetooth module also. 5 volt of the relay pin will be connected to the 5 volt of the Bluetooth, and then 5 volt of the Bluetooth will be connected to the Arduino 5 volt. I connected the both 5 volt in a common pin. Then connected the ground of the Bluetooth to the Arduino ground, and then relay ground will be connected to the Arduino ground. The code and the circuit diagram will be in the description below. Then connect the relay input wires to 2 and 3. Now let's move on to the coding part. Connect the Arduino module to your PC and then open up the Arduino IDE. After that, the code will be in the description. Copy paste it to your Arduino IDE, then click upload. After uploaded the code, then connect the RX pin and TX of the Bluetooth to the Arduino. The RX of the Bluetooth will be connected to TX of Arduino. The TX of Bluetooth will be connected to RX of Arduino. After connected the RX and TX, then open the Arduino Bluetooth app. Then click install. The link of this app will be in the description. It is one of the best app to control more than 9 electronics relay. Then click OK, open. Then click OK and give allow for the permissions. Wait a minute. If you are not paired to your Bluetooth module, then search here pair to your devices. Then after paired, then click your HC05 and select switch mode. It will be connecting to your Bluetooth module. Wait a minute. After connected, select the device 1. Select any one of the button. It will show some message. Then click set. After that, there are 9 devices. Now we are going to select first device and second device only. Then click switch off data to A, then OK. Then for second switch off data will be B. For first on data will be D. And then second on data will be E. Then click OK. Then click back. If you have pressed that button, it will be working properly. After that, we have connected some motors and power supply together. It will be working properly. Now we are turned off. We can control this using Bluetooth modules. So anyways, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you for watching.